myself Chandramani Arya
And I, Devani Mantu.
from class 7 from Sri A.J. Gajra English Medium Primary Section. Today we are representing our science project Train Accident Prevention System.
Introducing an advantageous train accident preventing system is recognized from Pond Bridge. Our project train accident preventing system recognized for near come on the people near the train track. Real-time alerts. One alert is detect any system immediately send a rule. Time alerts. Room through the multiple communication channels. Audio usually to assure people come on the bridge now through the safety.
In this project material are we used black chart paper, AC gear motor, wire, etc.
Thank you.